Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Rohan Ashukarevar. I am from Nagpur. I completed my bachelor's in non-technical mechanical in 2020. But after my graduation, I worked as a 2 years in non-technical as a site engineer. But I am willing to establish my career in IT industry. So in 2024 August, I visit in QSpider, and that time they helped me to how to grow my career in IT industry and how to I start. So they helped me to start my preparing career in testing, and in their guidance, I perform very well, and now I placed as a manual tester intern. My stipend is 1.85. Thank you.